Hello guys, welcome back to the HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'm going to tell you how you can easily create the 3D wallpapers on your iPhone 17. So, actually at first the thing you have to do is to open the camera. Go to portrait, and now the only thing you have to do is to do a portrait photo of an object or anything else. So let me, for example, do something like this. And now, as you can see, I do have a photo of the flower. If you take a photo of some landscape, etc., etc., here in the normal photo, wait a moment, I need to just move to the normal photo right here. In the normal photo, if you take a photo of some landscape, it will be transformed into the 3D wallpaper automatically. Of course, if AI sense it, it's because the depth cannot be, cannot be transformed and just generated. So now, once done, go to Photos, go to your photo, and tap this button. Use as wallpaper, and now it's being prepared. As you can see by tapping this button, this is Spatial Scene, and now this is 3D. As you can see, this is 3D. And now, actually, that's it. Hope it helps you, and goodbye.